St. Jago High is represented this evening by Team Captain Janelle Essen, Nathaniel Baker, Evandra Blake, and Jermaine Miller. While Jamaica College is represented by Team Captain Jaheem Khoury, Jamarli Banton, Mason J. Edwards, and Marvin White. Hello everyone and welcome to this deciding match in the semi-final series. St. Jago High won the opening match by 26 points. Jamaica College turned the tables in the second, winning by 1 point to level the series. So tonight, it's win or go home for either team. I'm Jean-Paul Manu. It all comes down to this. The semi-finalists have entered the challenge, but do they have the skill, the knowledge, and the temperament to move into the grand final? Let's find out. This is the opening challenge. In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will receive 1 point for each correct answer. Earlier we had the toss. Jamaica College won, but decided to send St. Jago High in to bat first. The section lasts for 4 minutes. Let's get that time on the clock. We begin with St. Jago High. St. Jago Bible knowledge. In which city were Paul and Barnabas mistaken for Greek gods?
Lystra.
That's right, Bible knowledge, Jamaica College. Using the King James Version of the Bible, name one of the gods for which Paul and Barnabas were mistaken in Lystra.
Mercury.
Or Jupiter. Correct. International Affairs of Visual 1 for St. Jago. Look at the monitor and identify this person, please.
Luis
Almagro.
Secretary General of the Organization of American States. Correct. International Affairs for JC. Look at the monitor. Identify this person, please. Secretary General of the Organization of Petroleum Exporting Countries. Correct. Biology for St. Jago. What is the name of the gelatinous material that lines the lungs, throat, nose, and other body parts?
Mucosa.
Mucus, I have. Yes, that's acceptable. Biology for JC. What is the name of the fetal organ made up of its parenchyma, chorion, amnion, and umbilical cord?
Placenta.
Good. Music and audio 1 for St. Jago. Listen to the following clip and give the title of this song.
Listen carefully now, you will hear.
Crazy ballhead.
No, Natural Mystic. Music for JC. Listen to the following clip and give the title of this song.
They say, see that, walking up the street.
Is this love?
No, Forever Loving Jah, both by Bob Marley. English language for St. Jago. Which of these words has a different meaning from all the others? Incipient, embryonic, invidious, nascent, or nascent?
Invidious.
Correct. English language JC. Which of these words has a different meaning from all the others? Avaricious, penurious, impecunious, impoverished.
Impecunious.
No, avaricious. Theatre and cinema, a visual 1 for St. Jago. Look at the monitor and identify this Jamaican actor.
George Brown.
No, Chevrado Oliver. Theatre and cinema JC. Look at the monitor. Identify this Jamaican-born actress.
Elena Williams.
No, Miranda Melhado. General knowledge for St. Jago. In which country is the national legislature named the Diet?
Japan.
Correct. General knowledge JC. In which country is the national legislature named Knesset?
Calm it down, man. Israel.
That's right. Sport, a visual 1 for St. Jago. Look at the monitor. Identify this person, please.
Maria Sakkari.
No, it's Wendy Therese Renard, French football star. Sport for JC. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Sam Kerr.
Australian footballer. Correct. Geography, St. Jago. What type of soil, which gets its name from the Russian words for black earth and is used extensively for growing cereals or raising livestock?
Journalism.
Correct. Geography JC. What is the name for soil which consists of earth and sand left behind on land which has been flooded or where a river once flowed?
Silt. Silt.
No, alluvial soil. Chemistry, St. Jago, what is the empirical formula for the mineral known as magnetite?
Empirical formula.
Fe3O4. Fe3O4.
Good. Chemistry, JC, what is the oxidation number of oxygen in nitric acid?
Nitric acid is naturally, so then that would have been nitric acid. That is plus 6.
Plus 6.
No, -2. And there's the bell. That's the end of the opening challenge. Scores in the match look to be St. Jago High taking the early lead on 7 points, Jamaica College on 5. When we come back, it'll be time for the speed challenge. Stay with us. Semi-final action in Schools Challenge Quiz returns right after these messages.